All done. Tracer wired up all the way up into the vent. Steve's got the phone already ran, so I'm gonna help him run the cable and the gas. Let's hop to it. Good morning, everybody. We are backfilling today with a 312 over there. But first, I gotta run water line and some tracer wire, and then we'll start backfilling. All right, that's got water lines all taken care of, tracer wire. Now I'm gonna switch buckets. Beeping will stop in a second. Verify tool locking. I'm gonna bed all this in starting from this way. So from the porch down, this whole sewer was probably 70, 80 foot long. Pretty long sewer. I'm gonna bed this in starting from this way so I can keep my flow, everything goes flat. It's all good. Gonna give this a quick bed in. So I'm gonna get that. Get this trench filled in. This is all gonna be concrete, so this is all gonna be gravel. So I can sit over here and use that gravel. Oh, I love it. Footing. Whoa, shaky. So I completely spaced. I was supposed to go stop at another job site on the way to this one and do a little fix it, something with the gas line and something, but oops, so I gotta handle that. That is the exact reason why pay attention when you're backfilling and getting your separation. We got it done. Now we can just move on to the next thing. So I found out just now that our power inspections passed. They passed. So now we just get to fill everything in, grade everything out. I want to do the backyard and the side of the house with the 55, but I'm going to get the left side of the house with the 312, move dirt where I need it to the front yard, stuff like that. That is the plan. Just little by little. So I'll get that all dialed in later, but the main thing was getting that trench filled in. Got the front patio, the gravel in there. I'll get the 55 and smooth that out, get everything looking good. So I'm just gonna use the 312, move all this dirt, and then all this dirt over here has got to move to where I am sitting. So that's the plan. And then I'll get off the 312 and get on the 55, which is park down there and start slicking everything up. So I basically got to figure out, don't bury that property thing. Basically got to figure out what the shape of this yard's going to be like. I think it's going to be somewhere over there. Yeah, maybe right there. There's dirt and gravel. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, something like that. It's like a muggy day outside today. Like, it's warm, but it's muggy. So we got moved over here to the side of the house. I'm going to eat some food, come back, clean up all these rocks, throw them over on the other side of that little orange silk fence there, and we'll keep grading, keep moving along. Oh, I don't know where all these rocks came from, but they're in the way. Scrape them out of the way. Call it good. Alright, well, due to the graphic nature of my language, due to the fact of my little phone mount, camera mount won't work, I didn't get any footage of backfilling all that, but it doesn't look good anyway. But I'm in the KOBELCO SK55 now, and we are going to go get that looking slick. And if I have time, there's a foundation way over yonder. Why isn't that focusing? That's better. Way over yonder. That I gotta get backfilled too. I don't know how much I'll backfill today, but we're gonna try. Alright, so I went and got one side of the house basically done. Just a bunch of dirt, and I needed the dirt on the other side of the house, so I got it all cut, kind of graded it out. A little high spot right here. Okay. Just got it going this way. I'm gonna hit that from a different angle. That's what I wanted. Barely cover the rain drain. subtle valley in between. It's a little hard to get it right here between the patio, but we've got our subtle valley in between. It goes all the way around. Made my way around to the side of the house right here, and grade around that clean out. Property pins there. Alright, we got all done with this here. Like I said, oh, he's already come and dropped wood off in the back. Ooh, that was a bee. I don't like bees. But that's done, rough graded. The concrete guys can come in and destroy it. These guys are gonna come in and put wood everywhere. So it is what it is. We'll just make it the best we can for now, for the time being. So that one's gonna do it for us today, ladies and gentlemen. If you liked what you see here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Until next time, friends.